Alright, camper update number 3. Ed wanted me to make a video of doing the ceiling, the insulation in the ceiling and stuff. As you can see, I use foam boards instead of rock salt, which is now called rock wool, just because I didn't want to itch for days. Also, this stuff seems to stay up there a little bit better. It has the foil backing to it, so it'll reflect the heat. But since I put the new rubber roof on, the roof actually hasn't gotten that hot. But as you can tell, I've been putting it up in the ceiling, and yes, I screwed up on that one piece and put it upside down. And no, I'm not going to fix it because it has this little cutout for a piece of wood I added in, and it would get all messed up. But it goes above the closet part, which, like I said, I may tear out, but I may not. And it'll eventually go all the way back and up there. I mean, for an hour, hour and a half, something like that, worth of work. It's not too bad. Now, under that, or over it, I guess you could say, is going to be some thin, like Luan, or it's actually a sanded wood, 1/4 inch thick, smooth sanded wood that I'm going to put on it. That'll make it easy to paint. I would show you guys measuring and cutting, but this vlog thing's kind of harder than it looks. I tried to hold the camera and cut and measure and stuff, but that's just not happening. So this is what you'll get, I guess, in between stages. Maybe I'll make another video after I get some more foam and maybe a couple pieces of wood in, and then after all that's in, I'll be able to do some painting. Gotta remove all the doors, do some painting, and then I'm going to put laminate wood on the floor. Alright, well, see you guys next time. Bye.